In this guitar tutorial, we'll be having a look at Finnish Folk Song, and Finnish Folk Song is a Trinity College grade initial classical guitar piece. And Finnish Folk Song is unique because we are going to learn how to play in two different areas when we pluck our string. The first part is here over the sound hole, so that we can achieve natural and balanced harmonics, and that we can see by the abbreviation NAT. And then we have sol pont. So we have the sol ponticello, and that means that we are going to play as close to the bridge as possible to get a more tinny sound out of our notes. Finnish Folk Song has a tempo of allegro, which means fast, with a measure of 120 crotchet beats per minute. So the standard allegro tempo to play. It has a time signature of 4 crotchet beats per bar, so we're just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 as we play in order to keep our tempo going nice and smoothly. Right, and then we also have the thumb that plays these repeating 3 notes whenever we have parts of a melody. So we have a melody, and then we have this bum bum bum, da 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 da, bum bum bum. So it's quite a nice piece and move to do when we play. Let's have a look at the melody then slowly. I'm going to do this all at once, but the thumb is going to alternate between E and A. So we have to make sure that we are ready to play those notes whenever they come up. And then also the melody part is only on the first 3 strings, so only on E, B and G, with our lowest note that we will have is A, and our highest note will be G. So let's give this one a go. We're going to start C, A, C, A, followed by the first 3 notes is A, A, A. Then we're going to do the same thing, but this time starting with B, open string, and then open string G, and then E. Then again followed by C, A, C, A, and then A. And then we have B, C, B, C, B, C, B, C, and E, open string, first string open, and then we have E on this on the 6th string. Now we're going to do sol pont or ponticello. We're going to move our hand over so that we are here, and we are going to play 3, G, E, F, rest, E, C, D. Now C, D, C, D, E, E. Now natural position, natural harmonics. G again, E, F, and you should hear the difference in sound. E, C, D, and then C, D, C, B, A, and now E with that. And now we're going to have a repeat of the first section. C, A, C, A, 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 A. Now, B, G, B, G, E, E, E. Again, C, A, C, A, A, and then we end with B, C, B, C, A, followed by A on the fifth string, open fifth. So not too tricky to play, except for our movement here from the natural harmonics to ponticello close to our bridge here. And then just moving our thumb from fifth to sixth or sixth to fifth string, and then our melody is quite easy. Just take it slow and you will learn it in no time. Let's have a look at dynamics. We start mezzo forte, so medium loud, when we repeat the CA, it's mezzo piano, so a little bit softer, and now still mezzo piano. When we move into ponticello, we are going to play mezzo forte. Moving back to natural position, we're going to contrast with mezzo piano. And when the repeat starts, mezzo forte again. Mezzo piano now. And now we have this crescendo on A. A little bit louder, a little bit louder. So that we have mezzo forte to end off with. And now remember we have a fermata or a pause mark on that A, so hold the notes a little bit longer, and then for the last A, hold the notes also just a little bit longer, letting the sound die away, and then we are done. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe to my channel and check out any other videos that might help you. Thanks for watching.